How to remove hover effect on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to remove the hover effect of the mouse that you're going to implement into any text or design that you're going to put on your Wix website with just a few clicks. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and select and edit the site that we want to remove that feature from. So basically, you're going to find out that we are going to have the dashboard of it. Make sure that you're going to be on the setup or the home page. Click on edit site. We're going to find this website. Now, how is going to be the hover effect and how can we know it? I have here a simple example of it. So we are going to show you here the example. This is a regular button if you are going to see, but if you're going to open up the previewer, you're going to find that it is not going to be a standard button, but it is going to be having a hover effect. So I'm going to approach the mouse, hover over it, and it is going to have this text appearing. So without the hover, no text. With the hover, a text. So how we can have this feature removed? So we are going to head over the editor again. I'm going to let you see here the principal cause for the hover effect. It is going to be the hover boxes. So in here, you're going to have on the hover boxes or the hover effects some container box. And this container box is going to have a hover mode and a regular mode. So as you can see, the hover mode is going to show up something, so you can add something to the hover, and also you can go ahead and have something for the regular. But in my case, I'm going to delete this specific box, or I can go ahead and have the box deleted from scratch and add again whatever we want. Or we can go ahead and have, for example, this button. I'm going to have it out this box. So I'm going to detach it. And then we are going to delete the hover box. So this is going to be the trick. Now for the hover boxes, you're going to find them under the interactive. We have hoverbox and they are going to give you, as you can see here, when I hover about them, it is going to give you something at here. So this is going to be something very easy. You're only going to be deleting them, detaching the elements that you need from them, like text, buttons, images, and here you go. So aside from that, this is going to be the case. And if you're going to find some animations like, I don't know here, some text animations, you can go ahead and head over, selecting the text, click on animated or animation, and then you're not going to basically find the hover, but you're going to find the animation, so you're going to put them to none. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.